Loves, welcome to another exciting episode of my amazing life. By amazing, I mean not so amazing. You get it? Yes, my name is Balisa Malifane. If you are new, hi, please make sure to press the subscribe button. And if you, my darling, are returning subscriber, you already know how much I like you. Please continue to like, comment, and share. So in today's video, I'm doing a virtual apartment tour. Please understand that this is not my house. This is definitely not my house. I repeat, this is not my house, but I would love for it to be. So as soon as I get the coins right, I'm definitely without a doubt moving to KwaMashu. Guys, please do forgive me for not showing my face in this video. I was contemplating on whether is it really necessary for me to ruin the quality of this video, and I decided against it because it really wouldn't be fair. So as you are watching this video, this is my future apartment tour. Okay, so as you're watching this video, pretend as if we are in the future and you are a top billing presenter. You coming here to view my house. Are you ready? Let's go in 3, 2, 1. Hey, thank you so much for coming. I literally had to drop everything from the office and drive straight home as soon as you called. I'm so happy you're here. Let's not waste any more time. Let's just get straight to the apartment tour. So this is a door I got from Body Bazaar in Sandton. I fell in love with the design and I was just like, you know what, I'm taking you home. Wait, is Body Bazaar not a show from TLC? And also, why would you buy something from Sandton when you are in KZN? Make it make sense. Cut bazalwane. Cut. I got this doll from Bazaar. I fell in love with the design and I was just like, you know what, I'm definitely taking you home. And the drawing that you see on the side, I've had it since varsity. It has been my favorite and I take it with me literally everywhere. Most of the things that are in my house were made for me. I didn't specifically go to a certain store. I don't know how my husband made that happen, but you know what, he's the best. I got those curtains from At Home and the vase I got from At Home too. So we recently moved to this house. Not much has been done. This is our relaxation place. This is where we go when we want to relax and just have time to ourselves. We still need to work on it. As you can see, not much has been done. We still need to put some chairs and yeah. So this is the view you get from when you coming from the pool. And yes, I love me some white. I love some paintings. My house is literally filled with thingies, with paintings. I'm a lover of art. Just giving you guys a view. Yes, and yes. See, I love me some paintings. I love paintings all the way. What's a house without paintings? You love it? Thank you so much. Please don't say that. I haven't even done much work here. The first bathroom downstairs. We have decorated this room for visitors, so it's a guest room. I love to close the thing in the toilet lid because I hate it when it's opened. My husband leaves it opened all the damn time and we fight about it literally. Yes, as I said, I love me some white. I got those pillows from Mr. Price Home. The lamp also. We come here for dinner and other special occasions, maybe when our friends or families are here. I got those plants from Woolworths. I am absolutely in love with them. I'm giving you guys the view. Let's go outside. I'm really not sure what to do with this space. I haven't found something that I like, so I'm still searching. Guys, can you please take a moment and look at this view? I love it. this view is one of the reasons why I went for this house. It's good for me, especially because I'm an overthinker. So whenever I come here, I get a sense of relief. And tell you what, this place, this place makes me make better decisions for my life. I think things through when I'm here, and I make best decisions basically. So I really really love it. This is the look. This is the look. I hope you guys like this look because I am beyond excited. I don't know what to do with myself. I love 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 it. We're going over to the kitchen. Just have a look. I love white. I'm sure you guys can see that I love white. There's no need for me to be saying it over and over again. I love, love white. And little plants over there. I love them. I'm quiet because I want you guys to enjoy the the tour without me saying a lot of things. So yeah, my friends and I chill there all the time. That's our sport. So for the exciting part, we're going upstairs. This is our little playroom. My husband and I love this view. We are always here. 99% of the time, you will find us here, just having time to ourselves. I got that lamp from at home, and obviously the curtains from at home too. Look at this. Are you not in love? My God. This is our toilet. I don't have to say, you can already see that it's white, and Steph's my favorite color. And this is our bed. I got the pillows from At Home. I got that little lighting thing happening from Mr. Price Home. I also love space. I'm sure you can see that there's not much here. It's really spacious and I love it like that. This is my little sister's bedroom. Not much happening here also. That is where she sits when she's studying and doing everything she likes doing. Maybe her makeup and stuff. That's her chair and her wardrobe. I am in love with that painting. Can you see it? Oh my god. I've also had it. I think I've also had that for the longest of times, hey? I've been moving around with it. And this is my little brother's room. Also not much happening here. Those are his stuff. I get all my pillows from either Mr. Price or At Home. These are pictures of all my family members, my mom, my dad, my in-laws, and my husband's favorite place. We come here for braais and other stuff. I'm just giving you guys the overlook of the entire house and the neighborhood. Beautiful, such beauty. KwaMashu is really, really beautiful. Durban, in fact. And yeah, this is the view from when we're outside. Yes. That is about it. This was my future apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you are like me, if you like viewing houses, please go and visit private property and just go through their houses. Maybe you'll find something that you like, something you might go for in the future. And this is where my apartment tour ends. Yes, thank you so much. Please follow me on my social media platforms. On Instagram, I am Malefane_Palesa. On Facebook, I'm Palesa Malefane. Until next time, bye.